government and security managers should pick interest in is adequate support for mental health issues. Because, Prince, look at it this way. And I do a lot of comparisons with other countries that are better than us. In the US, at a basic level, they have all this, of course, deployments overseas and interventions and, in Afghanistan, in Iraq, name it, going to war and all that. And these things are very stressful. They are very depressing. You take young people there to fight for your country, which we do as well. We have police, we have prisons, we have our military involved in Somalia, in South Sudan, in CAR, Central African Republic, and all that to pacify. Good thing, in my view. But what the US does, when those guys come back, they don't go straight back into the community. They have a sort of holding facility, a sort of holding maybe place where they are first taken. And then they are tested, examined. Is this person still fine mentally? Have they come back with some sort of diseases? Have they come back with some sort of frustration?
I think it is called post-war trauma.
Yes, exactly.
Management.
Now, we don't have it.
Download the Salt Media app from the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store.